Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Menteri Rangba jong kejelna ukonrat kongkel sangma hakas ni thoding jong khat artrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuar ula ong bah kajing syam jong Ïohi ya kano kadaw Lada Pule ya Ktien batmai la kalong Ktien Hindi Ktien English na Ktien Japanese kan long ka Sniew hakajing ya keren mat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ula ong Lada ki kena skul ki badang ke dang san kila tiak ban Pule ya Ktien Hindi kan long hi kajing mentoy na kabenta jong ki hi ha ka Pule ka puthi katkum kajing ya tho jong Menteri Rangba hadu menta ke sarkar jilla kampat yo pediang satya ya kano kajing tho ha ka baya dei bat kani.
I have seen the benefit of learning Hindi. English also as an English language. I don't see any reason why learning a new language, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English, or whether it's Japanese, is not a bad thing at all. It is something that is positive, and I feel that I'm not saying about Hindi alone. I'm talking about learning a language. I think language learning is something that gives you accessibility. So therefore, when it comes to the world market, in terms of employment, English is very important. So one has to be proficient in English. When it comes to national level, we need to realize that Hindi is the largest spoken in one-way language throughout the country. And so it's an advantage for our youngsters to be able to learn a new language like Hindi also. So I think there's nothing wrong in learning Hindi and making sure that our children also learn English and Hindi both. The second side of the whole thing is that while we do that and while Government of India works towards making it mandatory, we have not received any documentation, so I don't really know what the structure of this entire process that they have in mind is. But while we do that, like the Home Minister has said, that the mother tongue should always be on top, and highest priority should be given to that. What we would urge is that, and what I would want to do and see is that while Government of India may put these suggestions and these recommendations, we should put equal push from Government of India side also that there should be learning, research or institutes for our local languages also. So therefore, more push should be put for local languages as well. So while research should be done, documentation should be done, and funds should be given by central government to put up institutes to promote the local languages. So if we were to do that, and at the same time encourage our students to also learn English and Hindi at the same time, I think is something that is good, is positive. As I said, one should not create a position here and a stand and just say we don't want to learn Hindi. That's not the way I feel one should look at.